Now y'all say cool. One LNF. Gotta tell y'all a story, y'all. All my hip hoppers put their hands up one time. One time. Hey, y'all, can I get some peace where I live? That's why there's weed where I live. I get how you put kick where I live.
To describe my music, I'd have to say it's like a new school mixture with the old school, super progressive and alternative. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I would have to say that describes my music. Like anything from like Jimi Hendrix to Beatles to, I mean, just wide range. I listen to like a lot of like fusion music, like jazz fusion music from the 70s, and even like I've even like gone into like Japanese fusion music, just looking for a new sound, something that's, you know, just soothing to me. You know what I mean? So I do that when I'm making my beats now. I just always was driven, you know what I'm saying? Me and my brothers, we were always driven. We had a dream that, you know what I'm saying, to get our music, you know, out to the people and, you know, to leave them with, you know, something to take home, to be, you know, have something to enjoy and just have that substance value. And we just, you know, I just love it. So this is, you know, my dream and this is my everything. So it's what you'll be seeing from me forever. I got a project called Kydd that I'm working on, and that'll be released sometime during 2014. We got a lot of big name features on there, and be dropping my next single, Blink Away, with Sean Price, Jim Jones, and yeah, 2014 is gonna be cool. It's gonna be dope. I don't really have like crazy Valentine's Day stories. You know what I'm saying? Like,
no broken hearts.
I broke a few hearts on Valentine's Day. I was a youngster though, you know what I'm saying? So I probably broke up with a girl on Valentine's Day, being like an asshole or something, but I was like super young, you know what I'm saying?
Hands up now! Hands up now! Hands up now! La da da, la da da da, la da da da.